Singing this song, I see I was wrong. To tame you down, I was the clown. I'm singing this song, I see I was wrong. To tame you down, I was the clown. I know now when you're all alone. I've had the chance to run out. I pray for the touch of your hand. Your love is so, so grand, oh baby.
And we're live. Hey guys, welcome to Crypto Talk Now Live with Larry. It is showtime. I am so grateful that you are here to join this on this beautiful Wednesday evening here in North Carolina, sunny North Carolina, although it's dark right now. Thank you for being here. Let's go ahead and share the screen so we're not glitching too much. This meme right here just made me laugh because, you know, those of us that are in jobs know what this is about. You know, you got the 3% raise. You got the tax trying to grab that raise, and you're trying to grab the raise, and then lo and behold, behind you, you've got inflation just giving it to you right there. So you can't win. But yeah, but you can win. All right, so let's say hello to JC the Man. He says hi. If you guys don't know who JC the Man is, he is the son of April and Michael Cornwell. And you guys can subscribe to him over here, JC the Man. And there he is right here. Let's see. Did he do a video today? I think he did. All right. So he's doing shorts and stuff. He's got a lot of views. 34,000 views already. Off to a great start. So you guys can subscribe to him. He does some funny videos. Let's see. Tim Shea says, hey, because that's what Tim Shea says. Mr. High Life, living the high life. Sorry, I haven't seen you before, but I appreciate you being here. I'm sure you were here before. He says, interesting day in the crypto world. Got another clearance sale on Jasmine, up to 2.5 million now. Well, good for you. I tip my cap to you. That's a great bag right there. We will be talking about Jasmine. And, you know, the Federal Reserve, they just decided to take a break. After 10 increases in a row, they did not increase interest rates, but they hinted that they'll do it a couple more times the next two sessions. So that's what we got. And the crypto market responded like this. So, you know, everything is kind of flat. But yeah, Bitcoin earlier in the day was up following the news, and then just now down 3% overall in the last 24 hours. So that's where we're at. Ahmed says, hello, everyone. Thank you for being here. Ahmed, smash the like button. Yes, if you guys would hit the like button, I'd appreciate it. Brittany's here. I almost forgot what day it was, but I glanced down and saw that Brittany had said Happy Wednesday, so that reminded me. Boomer F and Sooners here. Thank you for being here. He's a Sooner fan. And guess what? I am cool. 195627. He's over on Twitch supporting us, so let's support him. JC the Man over there, part of our Twitch viewership. We'll have to get some more. He is live on Twitter. Really? Right now? Let me see if I can find his Twitter account. Well, I guess I can just go into Twitter. I know I found it before. Let's see. JC the Man. He's live right now on Twitter. There he is. He's live on Twitter. Let's see. Oop. Let's try this. I'm trying to unmute it here. Well, he's live, but my internet might not be working too good. So there he goes. This is JC the Man, and there's his YouTube channel right there. All right, good stuff there. Let's say hello again to welcome back. We saw Mr. High Life was there. He says, all good, man. Stargazer, perhaps he's gazing at the stars on his front porch. He says, hey, everyone, thank you for being here. 15 people here already. Only 4 minutes and 44 seconds in. Big Dave is here. He says, hello, Larry and all. Thank you for being here. Mr. Big Dave. He changed. Oh, no, that's right. No, that's the same avatar. All right. I'm thinking of Mr. D. All right. So Anthony, but I know who Mr. Big Dave is. Anthony Liang, 25. I'm down bad on Litecoin. I think you said that yesterday. I'm sorry to hear that. But have patience. I can't give you financial advice, but what goes down must come up. Typically. All right. So yeah, in light of that, it's a perfect segue. We can go over to Twitter. I've got some different things for you guys to look at. Let's see if I can refresh this right here. Got some memes for you guys, some crypto memes. Not the coins, but these things right here. So we saw the dogs, right? The tax. It's like a tug of war on your raise. This is you. This is the tax. This is your raise from your job. And this is inflation. We're just sticking it to you in the back. All right. So then here, right here, FTX, Credit Suisse. Why are you here? I thought you were financially stable. It's Squid Games. And then Jim Cramer had a prediction back April 11th. He's probably that old too. April 11th, 1912. Said the ship is unsinkable. Whatever Jim Cramer says, you can just count on doing the opposite. And then, here's Gary. She's saying FUD the market. She needs entry point. And this is what happened today or last, well, I don't know, for a long time. And this is what happens when you're trading crypto today. That's what happens. So you guys can see that right there. And then this one here, this is a funny one too. How can I make $1 million in trading? You start with 2 million, says Chat GPT. So that's how you do it. Okay. And then this right here from Crypto Memes. Oops, I'll follow them. All right. So this is the stages of a trader. They get in really on the high point there. At the top, they say, it looks like a good investment all in. Then there's a small dip, they say. And they're like, it's okay. It's just a healthy correction. And they're like, I've got diamond hands. And then it goes all the way down here. And it's consolidating, moving sideways. And then they say, okay, this is getting boring. Time to sell everything. And then what the heck? All right. So it goes up from there. So there's the stages of a trader. And then from Crypto Memes again, me asking for clarification from the SEC and the IRS. And they're ready to, what there. And I have some news about crypto.com as well. Yeah, I'm in inflation. I'm the inflation. Okay. Well, it'd be better to do that than to be the dog in the middle. XLM to the moon. Yeah, we have some stuff. I think I have a poll question about XLM. It's in there. And some other ones. If you guys haven't gotten into the poll, there's 20 beautiful people in here. Hit the like button. We do have a poll for this evening. It seems like you guys like the poll questions, so I'm going to keep doing them as long as I remember. Now, tonight's poll question already, great job. 17 votes. There's only 20 people here. We already got 17 votes. I'm going to blow it up here. So the question for tonight is, it's a simple one. I try to keep them easy because I just want participation. Over the next 12 months, which crypto will see the greatest increase in price? The choices are XRP, XLM, Quant, and Jasmine. Okay, survey says 39% of you chose XRP. We've now got 18 votes. 11% of you chose XLM. 11% of you also chose Quant. And Jasmine, it just changed. We got to go back. All right, XRP is now tied. Nope, it's not. Yep, it's tied again. You guys keep voting. This is great. 20 votes. XRP is at 35%, and Jasmine is at 35%. They were both at 37%. XRP was ahead. Now it's a dead heat between XRP and Jasmine, is what you guys think. So basically, I'm looking to know what's going to be the biggest increase in price. If you look, it's now June 14, 2023. What's going to happen June 14, 2024? Which is going to be the biggest gainer? Right now, XRP in the lead at 38%, followed by Jasmine at 33%, XLM at 10%, Quant at 19%. So that's what's going on. This is a fun one. This is going to be, it's a battle between XRP and Jasmine. All right, so let's see what happens. I'll say hello to a few more people here. Elon Muff is here. Thank you for being here. And Tommy Kilmerzarak. Mr. Tommy, glad to see you here. He says, good morning, everybody. So whatever part of the world you're in, it's the morning. Let's see. And glad you're here. Mr. High Life, XRP probably has more updates. All right, so let's get into some news. Now, I do have some crypto.com news for you. And by the way, if you guys are wondering where Max is, Max had a lot to deal with his dad today. And he called me before the show and asked me to do the show tonight so he could get a little bit of a breather from helping his dad, taking care of his dad. And he had a lot going on today with that and work and everything. So crypto.com right here. This is from the street. Crypto.com to shut down U.S. crypto exchange after what? The SEC lawsuits target the industry. So they're going to shut down the institutional investing on the platform, but they're saying that the retail is still safe for now. All right, so this is going to be starting in June 21st. Singapore-based Crypto.com says it'll be shutting down its institutional services on its platform in the U.S. and skipping down here a little bit more. Crypto.com, however, said its retail trading app would still survive, including up-down options, a product for crypto derivatives that is regulated with the Commodities Futures Trading Commission, or the CFTC, the one that's battling SEC for control, which is just weird. One of the main regulators that sued Binance earlier this year. Crypto.com points to its, quote, verified proof of reserves. Remember, a few months back, everybody was worried about, Tether having reserves, the crypto exchanges having reserves. So that's been a big thing on its marketing materials, and claims more than 80 million users worldwide. And I'm one of those users on crypto.com. I like crypto.com. It's easy to use. It gained popularity for features like extending Visa debit cards to customers to use crypto in their everyday transactions. So for now, you retail investors that are on crypto.com are safe, they're saying. All right, so take it for what it is. I don't know. Let's see how long that lasts. Because the SEC has already gone after Binance.us, and they've gone after Coinbase, and I would not be surprised if they went after some others, maybe crypto.com, but that's just pure speculation. All right, so there's that. Now, this is from the BBC, because it's good to get perspectives from outside the U.S. And they have an article here from the BBC. Is the BBC.com, is the U.S. trying to kill crypto? The digital asset industry, already in turmoil, now faces a full-fledged battle with regulators. So that's what they want to know. We saw what happened with FTX and the collapse there. The crackdown, it says here in the article, culminated this month in legal actions against two of the biggest platforms, Coinbase and Binance. So that's what's going on here. Now, Do Kwon has been charged. He's been charged with whatever he did. I haven't really looked into the charges, but the U.S. regulators are charging him. They call him, in this article, the crypto crash boss. They're charging him with fraud. All right, so there's there. Now, Gary Gensler, the chairman of the SEC, defended the moves this month, comparing the state of affairs in the industry to the 1920s, before the U.S. put in place many of the rules in question: hucksters, fraudsters, scam artists, Ponzi schemes. The public left in line at the bankruptcy court. All right, so, I don't know if they're trying to kill crypto, but it looks like they're fighting the heck out of it, and it's probably so the big boys can get in. That's just my opinion. Now, see, going down here. Let's see here. So, so here, this right here is, where's that quote? All right. Okay. Some indicators tracked by venture firm and crypto investor, Mr. Horowitz, such as the number of addresses active on blockchain and the number of smart contracts being executed, are also climbing. So that's interesting. So, more people are getting into crypto still. It's growing. Mr. Horowitz quote says, "We're not seeing founders stop forming new companies or protocols," says Mr. Stevens, actually, who says blockchain capital invested more money in the first 3 months of 2023 than in any quarter in the previous 10 years, as prices fell and rival firms backed away from the sector. And he goes on to say, it would be a mistake to think that the U.S. could kill the industry. It can absolutely, though, make the crypto industry smaller. All right. So I don't know. I think that this is just done by design to help the institutional investors. They're just trying to FUD it, scare people out of the market, crash the prices, that sort of thing. So there you go. So this one here, we're going to get into some Jasmine stuff soon, but let's first have a word from our sponsors, which is you guys in the comments. Stump Rider, the best of luck to you and Max. And the best of luck to you, Max, and your dad. All right. So Max could be listening, or he might just be taking a break, but he probably listened to that on the recorded. Crypto Homes 777. Welcome back. He says, hello, everyone. All right. So now here's some Jasmine news. This is from Jasmine Crypto over on Twitter. Interconnected world. Okay. Now the blockchain market, this is more, this is more of general news, but it just happens to be from a Jasmine guy. The blockchain market is expected to grow to 39.7 billion by 2025, almost growth of up to 40 billion in growth, because it has the potential to deliver immense benefits for enterprises across almost any industry. We work with partners to help their customers build new businesses models, generate new revenue streams, and mitigate risk. Some quant right there. So that would be a lot of growth, almost 40 billion by 2025, less than 2 years away. Now, here's some stuff about the Republicans. Let me go into this article here so you can see it. This is from Thank You to Crypt and written by Matt D. Salvo. So thank you. Now let's keep going. Somebody else just showed up. Yeah, Brian Dowie's here. Thank you for being here. What's up, Latex Larry? Okay, good to see you again. Republicans continue to defend crypto in the latest letter to the SEC. House Financial Services Committee leaders warned that the SEC's suggested definition of, quote, exchange would hurt innovation. Okay. Now, in a letter, the group of lawmakers said that the SEC's proposed rule would stifle and harm digital asset market participants and the U.S. economy overall. So the rule change first proposed by the SEC last year would redefine the term exchange within the Securities Exchange Act to include systems that offer the use of non-firm trading interest and communication protocols to bring together buyers and sellers of securities. So Republican lawmakers are arguing in a letter that the definition exceeds the SEC powers. Of course it does. And would shut down the development of the digital asset ecosystem. All right. This is a quote here from Republican SEC Commissioner Hester Pierce. Has previously said that the SEC's demonstrated position sends a message that we are uninterested in facilitating innovation and competition in the financial markets and instead seek to protect incumbents. And there is the letter here if you guys want to read it, but I don't want to fall asleep, so I'm not going to read it. All right, so the SEC has gone after a number of major crypto brands this year. It went after Kraken, Coinbase, Gemini, which is headquartered in New York, Binance, and Binance.us have all been hit with lawsuits. SEC Chair Gary the Gopher Gensler appears to be cracking down on all the coins and tokens he believes are unregistered securities, and his agency has charged a number of digital asset companies as a result. Okay. The top regulator has even hinted that the digital asset industry may not be welcome on U.S. shores at all. That's what he said last week. We don't need more digital currency. And adding that the current industry was built on non-compliance. Okay, time out. How are we supposed to comply when we don't even know what the rules are? We don't even know what the laws are. Is crypto just supposed to look at the SEC and decide for itself and say, I think we need to comply with the rules that don't even apply to us? It doesn't even make sense. How can we be in non-compliance? Let's welcome back another OG, Selmo Fudd, Crypto Talk Now. Happy Hump Day, Larry. Tomorrow it'll be that. I know it's Thursday, but tomorrow will be that for me, I'm pretty sure. because you sure ain't pumping, but you definitely dumping. And like Bobby Brown, you humping around. I like Bobby Brown. I like, it's my prerogative. And didn't he sing the song Don't Be Cruel too? That was a good one. And Michael Montclair is here. So we should show Michael Montclair real quick. Michael Montclair. I love saying his last name. And he sounds like Frank Sinatra. You guys know the drill. Make sure you subscribe to him. It's his new YouTube channel. Because YouTube is, they're not nice sometimes. Most of the time. All right, so there you go. So subscribe to Michael Montclair. I'll leave it up for a little bit. And let's see. Let's keep going back. All right, everybody's saying hello. So, well, I still, like I said, I don't know what they're not complying to because we don't even know the rules. I mean, we know what the SEC has in terms of framework that was built like in the 1940s, basically. But we don't see how that applies to the here and now. And it's like when we ask them, they're just like, the SEC just kind of throws its hands up. Well, just follow our rules. Okay, well, what are your rules? This Coinbase is like, okay, what are the rules? Basically, what do we need to follow? Well, just follow them. You're in non-compliance. So it's just, chasing your tail. This harsh stance has been criticized by lawmakers who argue that the regulator is overstepping its marks. You think so? Usurping his authority? And by crypto companies who are now eyeing up other countries. That's what's going to happen to do business. They're going to just, go overseas. All right. Stump Rider today. When it was red, I bought a few bags of crypto. When the wife went to the store, I told her to only buy ramen and hot sauce. That's typical crypto investor right there. That sounds familiar. That's really funny. I thought I had a meme like that. Maybe it's further down. All right, so there's that. Thank you, Decrypt. Now, this, I don't know if we should get into this or not. Well, we already know about the Federal Reserve. I already said that. They're not doing anything. Okay. So let's see. So we read this article here with you. Yeah, we don't need to read this. Okay. We already went over this. So we don't need to get it. If you guys want to read more about how the Federal Reserve just kept everything steady, you can. Okay, some Jasmine news for you. The Aussie Life at DGen Averse. Jasmine is a utility token that will be used to power the Jasmine personal data locker service. The PDL allows users to store, manage, and control their personal data. Jasmine will be used to pay for data storage and access, as well as for voting on platform governance proposals. So you guys have heard that, data is like the new oil, right? So there's a bunch of stuff here for Jasmine. I'm going to get through here. Jasmine, SEC still trying to scare everyone off before the bull run. That's what I think they're trying to do. Why wait until now to sue Coinbase and Binance? They can easily call some coin securities whenever it's not even true. They are just creating FUD, but the people in crypto will always fight back for what is right. So thank you to Jasmine Crypto for that tweet. Andy Bull, follow him. He says, I have Jasmine in my mind all day long. Jasmine is the best investment you can make in this crappy market. Long-term, short-term, whatever is your play, Jasmine will pay you. Ignore the FUD and stick with your beliefs. Positive mindset is the way to win anything in life. I agree with that. Okay, so there you go. More stuff. Jasmine, keep going. This is from Blake. Blake Berryhill. All right, thank you. Despite the market dump earlier on this past week, Jasmine looking to make a statement. Investors in this project know what we hold. And the time is coming, not financial advice. Do your very best to secure 1 million coins at this very low price point. That's his opinion there. And now from Candlestick Maker, Jasmine remained on support as crypto crashed. Jasmine is already bottomed out. Nowhere to go but up. This accumulation zone ends soon. There it is right there. He said what I said. Data is the new oil. How about that? Jasmine's first bull run is a 700x. Its running of the bulls will mint new millionaires. And you read it here first. And there it is, the Jasmine 17. We had a thumbnail like that with Jasmine going to $17. And Max did a video on it. All right. And I just casually drank some more water. All right. So this one I really want to get into. But first, a word from our sponsors. And that is bearish continuation pattern. Thank you for being here. He's got the bean there. Yeah. So thank you. Bearish continuation pattern. Say it together with me. Welcome. When Asian pump. I don't know. I thought we were going to already have that. We didn't have it. I thought that was coming June 1st. Mr. High Life. I'll take a 10x, but that sounds great. Oh, the 700x. Yeah. Now, here's what I really want to dive into here. I'm going to do a not so deep dive, but, I'm going to dive in a little bit here because, Max does the deep dives on Jasmine. Well, I'm going to dive into this a little bit here. This from House of Chimera. Exploring the multifaceted uses of Jasmine in the metaverse and Internet of Things, IoT, right? Jasmine allows users to own and monetize their data in the metaverse, fostering improved data democracy. That's a catchy phrase. Improved data democracy. So everything is fair, I guess, with data distribution. Jasmine offers users a unique, self-controlled digital identity on-chain, simplifying data access. Let's blow up this graphic here. And I got to have a sip of water, but let's look into this. Exploring the multifaceted uses of Jasmine in the metaverse and Internet of Things. 26 people here. If you guys would hit the like button, we can get to 30. Data ownership and monetization. Jasmine allows users to own and monetize their data in the metaverse, fostering improved data democracy. I love that term. I never heard that one before. Data democracy. I like it. All right. Decentralized storage. It provides a decentralized data storage system for the metaverse, applications, bridging data exchange through a peer-to-peer network. Metaverse game assets creation. It enables the creation and storage of NFT-based metaverse game assets, allowing users to trade and generate value. Decentralized identity solution. Jasmine offers users a unique self-controlled digital identity on-chain, simplifying data access and enhancing security. IoT, Internet of Things, device integration. Jasmine protocol supports IoT technologies, sensor modules, AR and VR, virtual reality devices, enhancing the immersive experience in the metaverse. All right, so we haven't, I'm sure Max talked about it, but I haven't talked about it. Jasmine in terms of the metaverse. So there you go. So we got a little bit of a dive into that. This from De Niro. I think did we read this the last time? Let's see. Yeah, I think this was yesterday. All right, so we got into yesterday's news. Selmo Fudd, summer breeze makes me feel fine. Blowing through the Jasmine in my mind. Oh, I like that one. Summer breeze. Oh, we can't play it. I don't remember who the artist was for that, but I am familiar with that song. That's a nice, relaxing song. Summer breeze makes me feel fine. Rolling through the Jasmine in my mind. Now, this is like, blowing through the Jasmine mind. All right, good stuff. Nikki B. Nicky space B. Thank you for being here, Nikki B. I don't know if you're a man or a woman, but I like the username. I'm trying to accumulate some render. To be honest, render token. Where is it at? Is it up on here? Is it up in here? Let's see. I think it's in the top 100, right? Or is it not? It's in here. It's like ragu. It's in here. Here it is. It's number 56. Trying to accumulate. Well, it's down 5.4%. It's taken a beating in the last week, but everything has down 16.4%. Well, we talked about render a little bit. There it is. So it's the Isley Brothers. Thank you, Selma Fudd. Of course, we can't play it because, YouTube is just stupid. Hopefully, they didn't hear that. All right, 29 beautiful people here. Crypto Homes 777. Big fan of render. All right, let's I think we pulled up the website the other day. We'll pull it up again. Distributed GPU rendering on the blockchain. Yeah. So there it is. So they got everything's explained on their website. You guys can check it out. It's over at rendertoken.com. Okay. And there's the price right there. The market cap, $670 million. Volume down 23%, 71 million. All right, so there's that. Let's see. Let's get into our poll question for this evening. We got 29. We're stuck on 29. We'd like to get 30. Here is the poll question for this evening. Where is it? All right, bring it up, Larry. All right, thank you, Larry. Here it is. Here is the poll question. So we've got 33 votes. That's great. You guys are doing good. I don't know how many likes we got. Is it over here? We got 21 likes. All right, thank you for the likes. So the question says, over the next 12 months, which crypto will see the greatest increase in price? Is it XRP, XLM, Quant, or Jasmine? Well, XRP has distanced itself as the leader now. Survey says 42% of you say XRP will be the biggest gainer. 9% say XLM, 18% say Quant, and a strong 30% say Jasmine. So number one is XRP, followed by number two, Jasmine. Mr. Lambo's Crypto Talk, thank you for being here. Crypto Homes, good to see the other Panthers fan here. Okay, how about that? Selmo Fudd, not a fan of render. It sends in the back ender. He does the good rhyming stuff. That's like the dog that I had in the beginning of the show. Where's the dog? The trio of dogs. The dog, dirty dogs. Let's see. This is what it is. Where is it? This right here. Yeah, that's what happens. This is a good depiction of, the economy here. You got the tax. The tax is always going to be there. It's always grabbing onto your money. 3% raise, just forget about it. And this is you, and then, this is the inflation, and you're getting screwed, basically. All right, so there you go. Let's see. Crypto Homes 777. Mr. Lambo, normally a Lightning fan, but cheer for Florida teams. Well, that's a good segue right there. Let's get into coin market cap prices. And what's trending? Pepe is trending. And Jesus Raptor is trending. Not Rapture, but Raptor. Or Jesus, however you want to pronounce it. Up 107%. I was looking at this one earlier. I think his market cap's around 4 or 5 million. It's not now it's up to 6 million. How about that? It's not there's another Jesus token too that was doing better. Terra Classic is also trending. Now, if you're keeping score at home, Bitcoin sitting in at a cool 25,120, Ethereum 1650, BNB 238.93, XRP, yeah, you know me. Selmo Fudd's one of his favorites, 47.9 cents. Cardano, does anyone care anymore? I think we do, long term. 26 cents. Dogecoin, 6 cents. Tron, 7.1 cents. Solana, can I say it? Yes. Solana been taking a beating. I love saying it that way. Down 22.88% in the last 7 days, sitting in at 14.52. Polygon Matic, 62 cents. Polkadot Dot, 460. Litecoin Lisa, 73.46. Toncoin, down a ton over the last 7 days, sitting in at 139. Wrap Bitcoin, 25,112. Avalanche, AVAX, 1141. Shiba Inu, where are you? I'll tell you where you are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros, 6, 5, 8, 3. Cosmos Atom, 862. Chainlink Link, 531. Uniswap, 447. Monero, XMR, 132.74. OKB, 39.80. Stellar Lumens dipped below 8 cents. It's now at 7.9 cents. Ethereum Classic, 14.83. Bitcoin Cash, 102.83. Internet Computer Protocol, 378. Filecoin, 359. Lido, DAO, 167. Hedera HBAR 4.5 cents. Kronos Crow 5.1 cents. Aptos $6.06. Arbitrum ARB Arby's 94 cents. Quant, look at that. Quant just dipped below $100. $99.13. VeChain VET 1.5 cents. Near Protocol Near 117. The Graph 9.6 cents. Algorand 11 cents. ApeCoin Ape 209. Rocket Pool 39.26. Multiverse 29.70. Aave 52.21. Phantom with an F 25.5 cents. Tezos 75.78 cents. Optimism 109. EOS 63 cents. The Sandbox down to 36.9 cents. Render token, as mentioned here today, $1.83. Stacks STX 48.4 cents. Decentraland Mana 33 cents. Theta Network 62 cents. Maker $633 even. KuCoin 607. Axie Infinity 472. Terra Luna Classic 1 2 3 4 zeros 936. Immutable IMX 57 cents. Neo 751. Conflux $17. I'm sorry, 17.6 cents. People just had a heart attack. BitTorrent 1 2 3 4 5 6 zeros 5311. Curve DAO token CRV 57 cents. Injective $5.90. Flow 45.5 cents. Synthetics SNX $1.78. Bitcoin SV, my pal, Cool Cat Crypto's coin, the real Bitcoin, like the hat, right? $24.32. Clayton with a K 14.8 cents. Gala Games, a favorite of classic cryptos, 2.1 cents. Chili's baby back ribs 6.5 cents. Kava 76 cents. XDC, we haven't seen Salamander in a long time. XDC Commander sitting in at $30. 3.1 cents. IOTA 15 cents. Casper, the friendly crypto, 3.8 cents. Huobi token 262. Zcash ZEC $24.60. Sui, as they call the pigs, farmers call the pigs like that, they say Sui, 64 cents. GMX $43.98. Gate token GT $3.94. eCash 1 2 3 4 zeros 1951. Mina 39 cents. Trust Wallet token TWT 85 cents. Frax share $4.81. Pepe is back. 1 2 3 4 5 6 zeros 8849. Nexo 59 cents. Dash $29.19. Loopring 21 cents. Pancake Swap Cake $1.37. Mask Network Mask 3.38. Woo Rip Flares, perhaps invested in it, I don't know, but he should be. Woo Network sitting in at 15.8 cents. GNO 104.11. Zilliqa, favorite of Max, 1.6 cents. Thorchain Rune 79 cents. MX token $2.63. And rounding out the top 100 is Rose. Oasis Network 4.4 cents. Now let's see. Selmo Fudd says time to buy more quant. It's below $100. It certainly is below 100. So there you go. Now checking in at the poll one last time, perhaps 33 votes, and still XRP with the lead at 42%. All right, so nothing has changed there. So look at your top 100 according to Crypto Bubbles. Hex, man, it's a good thing I didn't buy Hex the other day. It's still taking a beating, going down 34.5% this last week, 77.4% down in the last month. So to me, it's an opportunity. But what really jumps out at me, I don't know if these numbers are accurate or not, but this is what really jumps out, is the volume is so low, $2.19 million, with the market cap being so high, $1.24 billion. And it's been slipping down in terms of rank. It's now all the way down to rank number 35 out of 100. And you know about how CoinMarketCap doesn't have it ranked at all. So that's what's interesting. Now, I don't know what's going on with this one here. Caspa up big today, 15.5%. I'm not sure why. So there you go. 30, no, not 39 people. There's not 39 people. There's only 18 people. I don't know why I said 39. Wow, XRP on sale today. It's falling down 1.3% in the last hour. Things are moving down. Yeah, so XRP has been holding strong, but today, you know, it's had a pullback. I mean, I'm not concerned. All right, so there you go. That's it. I don't know what else we could cover. I think we got everything quickly in a nice little nutshell for you. We read the top 100, which is always fun for me. Thank you so much for watching. We will be back tomorrow, either me or Max, tomorrow, Thursday night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thank you for watching. Be good, be safe, and take